This visualization allows us to monitor efficiency in real time, highlighting completed tasks and active robotic processes. The logistics arms seamlessly integrate components into the main chassis, a dance of automated precision.
The alignment on Unit 7 is still off by 2 millimeters. Yeah.
Adjusting the calibration parameters now. Let's see if that stabilizes the sequence.
The assembly process utilizes precision robotics to integrate the synthetic vertebrae with the primary neural network cabling.
Power flow stabilizing at 90%.
Check the core output. We have fluctuations in sector 3.
Compensating within tolerance limits.
Dampening coefficient holding steady at 0.9.
Commencing fitting sequence. The secondary plating is locking into place. Systems initializing.
Built for resilience and adaptability, the Robot T50 represents a monumental leap in synthetic physiology.
Stabilizers engaging on the left leg. Readings look good, gait improving.
System shutdown sequence activated. Countdown initiated. System shutdown complete.
As the data cables lock into the hub, the system verifies the connection and begins the high-speed data flow.
AI core confirmed stable and operational.
Torso plating secured. Pressure nominal. Locking sequence complete. Status green. All systems are green. Quality assurance check complete. We are clear for production run. As you can see, the robotic applicator moves smoothly, guaranteeing an even finish across the entire surface.
As the thermal load increases,
As you can see, the forearm plating successfully withstood the high-velocity impact test, maintaining structural integrity.
The foot grip traction test is initiated. Sensors in the exoskeleton boots measure friction coefficients in real time.
System integration looks good. All parameters are within spec.
Affirmative. Final QA check complete. Ready for activation sequence.
Deployment status confirmed. All systems nominal.
Verification complete. Proceeding with activation.
Task 7 Gamma execution time, 4.2 seconds. Efficiency rating at 99.8%. Proceeding to next cycle.
Navigation looks stable through the corridor.
Confirmed. Marking waypoint synchronization at 8 meters.
The trajectory maintained optimal clearance on randomized path deviations.
Efficiency metrics are green. The patch was successful.
Real-time data logging allows us to visualize efficiency metrics and maintain optimal status continuously. Diagnostics complete. System status: optimal.
Is the shipment ready for the night run?
Almost. Just finishing the checks on truck 2.